Hello YouTube, my name is Froylan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today, I'm gonna give you an on-foot review of the Engineered Garments New Balance 990 V5. So stick around. A month ago, I've unboxed these sneakers for you guys, and this is the New Balance 990 V5 in collaboration with Engineered Garments. And so I tried them on and walked around them, and I'm gonna tell you now what it felt like walking in them. So first impression, the moment you put them in, there's gonna be a little stiffness on the medial side of the shoe, especially on the arch side. So there's a stiffness there, but after lacing them on, they have a good lockdown here in the lace area. The toe area offers enough room for your feet to move around, but not too much that your feet will slide side to side inside. Now, after walking a while, the stiffness on this area went away, and it didn't bother me anymore. Now on the ankle area, the tongue is aptly padded, also the ankle area. So when you're walking in them, this part is very comfortable, and you have a breathable mesh upper, so it won't your feet won't get too hot inside. So there. And when walking on them, the sole, the midsole, it's not as soft as Boost or React, but it gives you enough cushioning to stay comfortable, but not too soft that you don't feel stable in them. These are a very stable shoe, both in the forefoot area and on the heel area, because you have this encap technology that keeps your heel in place. Also, the midsole has a different density foam here. It actually absorbs more impact on that heel area and on this area. So that actually gives you good cushioning support and good comfort. Now, actually comfort-wise, I don't have any complaints about this particular shoe. Regarding the fit, for New Balances, I size down half a size, because they tend to fit longer than Adidas or Nike. So I usually, for Adidas and Nike, I pick US size 11. For New Balance, I picked up 10.5. So because if I pick a size 11 for New Balance, it tends to be super long, while my foot is comfortable here on this area. It tends to be too much space here on the toe area. Unlike if I example for Nike or Adidas, it's just perfect. For New Balance, I need to size down half a size. So that's with the fit. And the 990 V5 is actually fits wider than my 996 or 997. Those two actually fits narrower. The same length of the shoe, but especially on this area and on the arch, they're a little narrower. So this one is actually good for people with wider feet. So what do I wear with these sneakers? I actually wear them with everything. With shorts, joggers, jeans, denim. For the top, just t-shirt, polo shirt, button-down shirt, anything will fit this, will match with the shoe. Khaki, can also go full-on Steve Jobs wearing this one. Anyway, it's just a matter of how you style your pants with this one. So. So for the shorts, you can wear any shorts, especially khaki shorts, Bermuda shorts, you can wear it with this one. For the socks, you can wear mid-cut socks, ankle socks, no-show socks. It will match well also with this one. Even white socks would match well with this one. And for the pants, I usually, with this one, I don't want to have stacking on the ankle. I want to fold it up to show my ankles a bit, especially if it's a baggier fit for the jeans. Also for chinos, for this one, for this particular shoe, I will fold it up until here, so it shows my ankle, and it will look very good. It will make the sneaker pop out, and there. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, we have an ongoing giveaway right now. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your own size. Please check the mechanics in the description box down below. Again, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. My name is Froilan. Until next time.